Hey guys, New York City. You know, there's no excuse for not being active and not working out. Are we walking? Yes, of course. I'll probably get another 20,000 steps in today. But guys, check it out. The only thing that you got to do, right? The only thing that you have to do. You're complaining about the backs of your arms or your arms hanging, you know, and all that other shit. Dips and dips. That's all you got to do. Guys, listen, just get on a chair, anything. And just get on here and get off of it. And look here, this is just as easy as it is. How much time is this wasting out of your day? A minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, however many you can do. You know, just do it every once in a while. You fit 10 or 15 of these, and at the end of the day, you got 60, 100, 120. I've got these older ladies doing this, and at the end of the day, they're like 200 dips. Do you think their arms are getting tight? Hell yeah, because that's the area that it works. So guys, do some exercise in between the shit you're doing and you're going to be successful. So listen, if you like this video, come on guys, comment below, DM me for custom coaching, share it. And if you want to get rid of the backs of those arms, you want to tighten up a little bit, DM me the word exercise. And I'll not only get you started, but I will not let you fail. And that's my word. Hit me up in the DM and I'll get you going. Peace out.